Hi everybody, this is Mary Adams. I'm the director at Body and Mind Massage Institute. And we're hosting an open house tonight. We're hoping that you'll come on by and check out our program. We have a 600-hour program that exceeds the requirements for the state of New Jersey licensing for massage and bodywork therapists. And we have a new class starting in January, on January 6th, that will graduate in June, and you could be licensed and working full-time by this time next year. It's a wonderful program that's very well-rounded, where we teach a lot of modalities. And we also teach professionalism, and our student clinic experience surpasses the needs in the state to the degree that our graduates are more well-rounded, more professional, more skilled, and more confident than most graduates from other programs. And this is something we hear constantly from employers of our graduates. We have many wonderful alumni out there working, doing wonderful work as healing artists, and they're very happy with the choice that they made to come to our program and become a really, truly well-rounded healing artist. We welcome you to engage and check us out at our information session tonight. Find out more information. Maybe perhaps you've had a nudge along your path of your life that said, hey, it's time for you to become a healing artist. It might be time for you to answer that calling. We'd love to help you on your journey. We're passionate about teaching the best program that we possibly can, and we are truly passionate about wellness as everyone's individual right, and we can help you help clients on that path to wellness. So come on out. Check us out tonight, 6:30 to 8 o'clock if you can. If not, tonight we'll be hosting another information session in the next couple of weeks, and we'd love to speak with you. If you can't make the information session, please call, make an appointment, come in, check out the school, talk to us, let us answer your questions, and hope to help you make a good decision for a new career as a massage therapist.